Happy Thursday, boys and girls. Oh, I am so ready to learn with you today. Today we are going on to lesson 4 in our new unit. And let's look at our learning targets today. I can read tricky words. I can spell words with the E sound. Yes, we're going to be doing some finger spelling. I'm so excited about that. And then our last target today is I can answer and ask questions about a story. That's right. We're going to read our story Red Ants again, and we're going to be answering and asking questions. We're going to start off with a little tricky word review. Yes, we're going to read through our chart together, and we're going to read from left to right, top to bottom. Here we go. When, word, why, to, say, which, I, know, once, said, where, are, were, here, there, was, one, from, of, all, the, a, he, she, we. Very good job with your tricky words. Now we're going to review all of our vowels. And Miss Saki wants you to echo me, and here we go. I, e, a, Now we're going to move on to our consonants. Here we go, and echo me. K, j, d, f, o, g, b, k, n, p, m, x, v, y, s, t, w, z. And of course we have our new sound, our double E. Let's make that sound together. E. Good. One more time. Echo me. E. Good. As in eat. That's the beginning of that word. And then you also hear that word in the middle. As in feet. You'll hear that sound E in the middle. Eat. Good job. Okay. So now we're going to go on to a game. This is going to be a really fun game. We are going to listen to the word. We're going to segment the word, and we're going to spell it. Our words today are going to have, some of them are going to have our EE, our E sound. Some of them are going to have digraphs. Some are going to have an E, a short S sound. So number 1, you ready for number 1? Good. Okay, number 1, we have the word seed. That's right, seed. Let's segment that word. Seed, seed. Awesome. So when we write the word seed, you're going to write the letter sounds that you hear. The letters, I hear a S. I heard a E in the middle. I know that those two letters together, those two E's make one sound, E. And then I know at the end of that word, I hear a D. Seed. Very good. We planted a seed in our garden. Now we're going to move on to number 2. So we're going to listen, segment, spell. Number 2, Miss Nakin will tell you I'm going to zigzag that first line. You're going to hear a digraph at the beginning of that word. Here we go. Shed, shed. shed. Good. Go ahead and write your sounds. Sh, d. Good. Let's check your spelling. Did you hear your sh? Yes, and in the middle, Miss Nakan heard a short and then I heard the d at the end. Shed. Very good. So Miss Nakan is going to give you a few seconds after you segment to spell independently on your own, and then we'll check it. Number 3. Feet. Eat. Feet. My feet got all muddy playing outside. Feet. Spell. All right, we're going to check that word. Did you hear your Did you hear your E? Yes, your double E, your long E. Eat. Feet. Very good. Number 4. Ooh, and look, we have a digraph at the beginning. So be listening very closely. Then. Then. We will go to the movies, then eat dinner. Then. All right, let's check your spelling. Did you hear your buzzy TH, your th? Did you hear your in the middle and your n? Then. Awesome job. Number 5. Oh, we have another digraph at the beginning. Here we go. Cheek. Cheek. My grandma loves to kiss my cheek. Let's segment. Eek. Cheek. Spell. Eek. All right, let's check your spelling. Did you hear your ch? And did you hear your E, that long E? That was our double E. Ch, eek. Okay, number 6. Oh, another digraph. Yes, ready? Shelf. Mom said to put the cookies back on the shelf. Let's segment. Shelf. Ooh, this is a tricky word. Be careful. Good. Did you hear your sh? And then your your short E, and then your shelf. Very good. That was a tricky word, shelf. Number 7. Ooh, this word has a digraph. We have lots of words with digraphs. Okay, here we go. Queen. The queen had on a beautiful gown. Queen. Spell. All right, let's check your spelling. Did you hear your qu and your E, your long E, your double E sound? Queen. Ooh, that was a great word too to spell. Okay, number 8. Meet. We will meet my grandparents for dinner. Meet. Let's segment. Eat. Meet. Think about that middle E sound. What letters make that sound in the middle? Eat. Okay, let's check your spelling. E. You got it. Your double E. Your E. Eat. Meat. Okay, number 9. Met. We met my friend for a play date at the park. Met. Met. Okay, let's check that spelling. Met. Okay, we're going to stop for just a second. Miss Nakia wants you to look at these two words. I want you to look at meet and met. What do you notice about those two words? How are they alike or similar? And then think about how they're different. Good observation and thinking. Both of these words have a at the beginning, and they both have a t at the end. It's that middle sound that makes that word different. One has an E and one has an E. Meet, met. And our last word, we have another digraph. And you know this word. We've read this word the last 2 days. Sheep. 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 Lee is a sheep. Spell. All right. Did you hear your sh? Your E? Yep, you heard that E. You know when you hear that long E, that it's your double E's. Sheep. What a great job spelling today. Now we're going to go into our story, Red Ants. We had lots of words that had our double E's that we went over yesterday. We also talked about 2 important vocabulary words, sweet, which meant that a person is really kind and nice and gentle. Lee was a sweet sheep. And then we had the word sweep. Remember, Scott had to use his hand and his arm, and he had to sweep the ants off of Lee's leg. Let's read our story, and then in the next video, we're going to answer our questions. Red Ants. Lee the sheep had a bad week last week. Red ants bit him on his legs and feet. Scott had to sweep the ants with his hand to get rid of them. Oh, and there's Scott. He had to sweep using his arm. He had to sweep those ants off of Lee. Scott was mad at the ants. Ants, he said. Lee is a sweet sheep. Feel free to munch on plants and weeds, but not on Lee. One of the ants said, We feel bad. We will not munch on Lee. We will munch on plants and weeds. Now, in our next video, we are going to be answering and asking questions that go with our story. So Miss Nakia will see you very soon so we can finish our reading lesson today.